welcome to our witnesses, and happy Earth Day. The 40th anniversary of Earth Day should cause us, as you said, to celebrate the strides we've made in environmental protection and education, and to focus on the road ahead. The Earth has a long memory, and one of the results of years of profligate polluting are the hazardous waste dumps now designated Superfund sites. The residents of my congressional district in Southern California have seen firsthand the adverse effects such sites create and understand the very real risks to human health. We've been trying to clean up 3 Superfund sites that border my district and have affected our residents, particularly minority communities, as Dr. Christensen pointed out, for decades. They're called Del Amo, Montrose, and the Palos Verdes Shelf. The Del Amo and Montrose facilities release substantial amounts of hazardous substances into the soil and groundwater, including benzene and DDT. Montrose also dumped DDT through the sewer system into the Pacific Ocean, and this, along with PCBs from other industrial sources, created the Palos Verdes Shelf problem that threatens marine life and human health through contaminated fish consumption. The Montrose site has been paved with temporary asphalt cap to protect workers and to prevent the spread of contaminated soils. Groundwater and soil cleanup plans are in progress. The Del Amo site, which I know very well, has mostly been redeveloped into an industrial park. The most contaminated section, the waste pits, have been fenced off in a so-called containment zone to prevent further spread into drinking water sources. Because hazardous materials from Del Amo and Montrose are commingled, these sites will be part of the same groundwater remediation effort, but it will take years. The Palos Verdes Shelf cleanup effort is also in progress, and a coalition of local groups have done good work in reaching out to vulnerable communities to educate them about avoiding contaminated fish consumption. However, restoring the area to what it once was remains a monumental task, and EPA still considers the site to be one of the most contaminated in the country. I'd like our witnesses to address their familiarity with these sites and whether they've studied their effects, and more broadly, hope that they will address what HHS is doing to inform the public about the potential adverse health effects. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for holding this hearing. There's a lot to celebrate and to be sober about on Earth Day, and I yield back.
Thank you.